In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how somebody is earning over $6,000 a month, and guess what? They're doing absolutely nothing. And I appreciate that might sound like utter nonsense, and you might be thinking, well, this is clickbait, it's not possible. But let me share with you how all of this works. So earlier on today, let me just go into my email. So earlier on today, I got this email here. 6 content sites for sale. Now this comes from, it's a website called Empire Flippers, and basically over on this website here you can buy businesses. Now if I, let me just get rid of that. So if I scroll down here, I get these all of the time. Let me get rid of that. Come down here and you can see they have all of these different listings. So I go through and I have a look at these from time to time. So this was the first one here, look, $6,300 a month in the beauty niche. So I click on here to read more and I go over to the website. Now this here is over on Empire Flippers, and look, if you've got the money available, you can go ahead and purchase this business. But how are they doing this? Doing nothing. So if you just scroll down here, look, so they're currently selling this business for $324,000. It's a hell of a lot of money. Monthly revenue is just coming up to $6,500, and monthly net profit is 6,300. Now this down here, look, pricing period and also the pricing multiplier, this basically means they've taken this and they've times it by 51 and they've got this price here, what they're listing it for over on Empire Flippers. But if I scroll down here, what is this business? So come down here, look. So listing, this listing is for a display advertising business created in March of 2017. So a little over 4 years ago. This is in the beauty niche, and basically it's a YouTube channel. So look, this business features a YouTube channel, and predominantly they're making money via AdSense. So the annoying ads that we get on these YouTube videos. And if I scroll down here, I just want to show you, where is it? This here, look. The seller outsources all content for the channel, keeping their time to a minimum in terms of maintaining the business. So they're doing nothing because they're outsourcing all of the work. Now if I come down here, you can see the business earns 100% of its revenue through display advertising, so the YouTube ads. It tells you, a lot more about this, where the traffic's coming from. So you can see here, US, India, Mexico. Come further on the page and it goes through everything. But basically, they're earning this money by, look at this here, this is how they're earning the money. So so basically they outsource to virtual assistants, and this includes a writer and a content creator, a video editor and a graphic designer. So essentially they're outsourcing a complete YouTube channel to all of these VAs, or virtual assistants. And basically, every person in that, in the VAs, they will have a specific job that they will do, and by the end of it, they will have a YouTube video ready to go and upload onto the channel. Pretty straightforward. And they started this in 2017, so, going ahead and setting this up, and then how flipping it or selling it for this amount of money here, it just shows you the potential with YouTube. I mean, I say it on this channel all the time, creating a YouTube channel and getting, being consistent and uploading, you can earn some pretty decent money. And, if you want to go into specific niches and lots more, you absolutely can do. Now, this one here, this person, whoever owns this YouTube channel, bizarrely, they're not including affiliate marketing in here. You can see here, look, there's room for growth, including affiliate marketing to increase revenue, creating videos that target a smaller demographic. They're not even doing sponsored content from brands, and they're not even, I mean, look here, once previously they were generating income through Amazon Associates. So, if you've got 300 grand, you could go ahead and get this channel and start making some pretty good money. So this here is known as something which is known as a YouTube cash cow channel, and I've shared this in the past about creating a YouTube channel without being on camera and having to do this yourself. And if we quickly jump on Google and we just type in cash cow YouTube channel, I'll show you what the process normally is. So if I come down here, where's the article I want to share with you? Where's it gone? Is it this one? This one here, look, my first month with a YouTube cash cow channel. So this is someone who's actually, going ahead and trying to create their own cash cow channel. And basically, you don't do any of the work. As you can see here, you outsource all of this work, but it doesn't come cheaply. So if I come down here, let me just scroll down here. We're not interested in these numbers here, or this, or this. I want to show you what's normally required with this work. So come further on the page here. Look, how much have I paid to outsource the content? Come down here, $95 per video. So they're getting one video done for $95, which is a hell of a lot of money for one YouTube video. If I scroll down here, you can see so far I've spent $1,710 for just 18 videos. So if you like this method of, literally doing nothing and earning money, you better have a big bank balance or credit cards that you're going to be churning through, because this isn't cheap in any way, shape or form. And look, you can go ahead and potentially get it cheaper than $95 per video. But basically, how this would work is you would go over onto platforms like Fiverr, like Upwork, Guru.com, and you'd outsource all of the work. So you can see here, here's an example whereby he's listing this. So he's looking for, I'm looking to hire a commentator to produce voiceovers. So he's getting virtual assistants basically who are creating the content for him. So he will have someone doing the voiceover, he will have someone creating the video, he will have someone who writes the script, and then someone who creates the YouTube thumbnail. So a lot of work going on, but essentially, as long as you've got the money, you can go ahead and outsource all of this. However, let me share with you a far cheaper method and a better method in my opinion. So we're not going to be, creating job listings and spending thousands of dollars or like $100 per video. We're going to be doing this a hell of a lot cheaper. So how do we do this? Well, the first part is you need to come up with a YouTube, channel and an idea for that channel. You'd then need to create a video script. Once you've got your video script, we'd then need to create the video. And you can do this pretty quickly and also cheaply. And all of what I'm going to be sharing with you, you can actually try all of this out for free. So it's pretty cool. But if I come over here, let me go into this one over here. So let me just come out of here and go into this dashboard here. So this here is a piece of software called Conversion, and I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can actually go ahead and check this out. You can see here, look, let Jarvis write your marketing copy for free, and you can do this for up to 10,000 words. So I'll drop a link to this below for you. It's absolutely free. You simply sign up and you can go through this whole process. So let me come over here. So for this, obviously, we would need a video script. So I'm coming into these YouTube templates. So if I come down here, look, we've got video topic ideas, a script outline, a title, all of these things here. But I'll whiz through this really quickly. So let's just go into video titles, and let's just say, we wanted to create, in fact, let me do this for you. Let me go to dashboard, let me go to video, and we'll come up with some video topic ideas. So let me come in here. So what topic should your video be about? So let's just say, for argument's sake, we was creating a channel in, I don't know, the dog niche or woodworking or something like that, keto, etc. Let's just go with keto for this example. So the topic should be about keto, and literally for the time being, I'm just going to type this in here really quickly. Keto diet tips. Okay, I'm going to scroll down here and click on, sorry, let me get rid of this for you. Get rid of this. We're going to click on generate AI content. Now this little thing down here, it just spins for literally 10 or 20 seconds and it will give us some ideas. So look, these are video topic ideas. So what is the keto diet and how does it work? So I'm going to take one really quickly. Tips and tricks to stick to, okay. So we'll take that, okay. Now I'm going to click on dashboard. I'm going to go back to my videos and I'm going to go ahead and get a video title. So I'm just going to paste that in here, and I'll literally just paste that in as well. Let me just go with keto diet tips. Click on create content. So it's going to give me my video title. So you can see here, it works very quickly, and it gives me lots of options. So I can go through and look 10 tips and tricks to, okay, so that there would be my video title. Okay, I've got my title, pretty good. We'll go to dashboard, we'll go to video. So next, we've run an idea, we've got a title, and then we're going to start creating the video script. And literally, I'm not going to go into all of these, I'm just giving you a brief overview of this. So I paste in here my video title, like so, tone of voice, click on generate AI content, and it's going to start building out the script for us. So in a second now, it will go over here. Yeah, okay, look, so hook, introduction, So for now, I'm just going to grab this, okay? So I use this piece of, and I use this myself. So in here, I just build out the video title, the script, and it does the YouTube description, and lots more stuff in here for you. So once you're happy with all of this and you've got your script and everything done, the next part is you need a video created. So we're not going to outsource this and be paying $50, $60 a go for this. I use this piece of software over here, and again, you can try this out for 7 days for free. You can see this is inside of my account. I use this for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and many more. So really quickly, we'll come up here and we click on create a new video, pick a template. So this is going to be a YouTube video. So I don't want this template here like, for TikTok or Instagram. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on landscape. So all of these templates here are for YouTube and the template, so we can edit any part of this. So let's just go with this one. I'm going to click on use the template. Then I'm going to paste my script into here. So literally I'm going to put that into there. I'm going to get rid of that there. I'm going to get rid of where it says introduction. Hi, my name is, put Mark. Okay. Put that to the next line, and all I would do here is I'd put my script in here, because what happens is once I click on create scenes, this video software here, it creates a complete video for you from the script that we put in. And look at this, we're already on step 3. By the time I get to here, I can download the video. So at this moment in time, I just hover over here, and look, you can see this is scene 1 of 10. If I go to the next scene, scene 2, scene 3, etc. Now look, there's some really cool things that you can do here. So this Vidnami software is integrated with a platform called Storyblocks. So there's over 800,000 video clips that you can use inside of here. Now all of the videos here behind, this has been created from the keywords, or the words here that we have put. But if you don't like any of these videos, for whatever reason, you can simply go ahead, you can search for videos, or you can click on any of these keywords here, which has been taken from your script, and you simply click on any of these and it'll just go over here. So if I click on here watch, it goes over here. Pretty simple, very straightforward. You see down here as well the text. If you want to move this around, if you want it maybe in the middle, you can have it in the middle. If you want etc., you can play around with this. You can highlight it, bold it, underline it, make it italic, and lots more. But basically you'd go through and if you don't want to use clips, you can use images as well, and you can also search for different video clips and images too. But you'd go through, you'd make sure you're happy with this. At the bottom here, you click on add voice track to your video. Now you have a few options. You can go with just music only, you can use auto voice, you can record your own, and you can also upload a voice track. But for the sake of this, let's just go with preview your video just with background music. And look, this software, like the previous one, it works incredibly quickly. So in a second, this will have a video which has been done for us, and it's created using the Conversion software, which we've literally, it took us a couple of minutes to get our video script. So once this is done, and we preview it finally, we just click on download, and we have our video here. So look, that there is my video. So if I click on play, so you can see it looks incredibly good. It's very professional and it works very, very quickly. You can go through and play around with, you can change the music, you can add watermarks on this, you can speed up the scenes, you can slow them down, and lots more. But once you're happy with all this, you just click on looks good, continue, and then you download your video. So you see here, by just using a combination of Vidnami and also this software over here, I got a video topic ideas, I created a title, I created a video script, I've then gone ahead and taken that, using this software, I've created a video. I would then download this video, and then also I would come back in here and I'd create, a video description for YouTube when I'm uploading this, and it's pretty simple. And you see over here, you can just see the potential with this. So I am logged in, so let's get rid of that. So in this example here, this person is earning this money from doing nothing except for opening their wallet. If if you don't have a lot of money to be outsourcing for script writers and video creators and editors and lots more, then you can use these two pieces of software together. You can use this one and this one, and it will save you a hell of a lot of money, and it will speed up the entire process. So I'll drop links to both these down below for you. You can go ahead, you can try out Vidnami for 7 days for free. I'll also drop the link to this over here. Where's it gone? This Conversion.ai software. You can go ahead and try this out as well, and you can get up to 10,000 free words. Now, there's a couple more things to share with you. Inside of this software over here, it's not just for YouTube. You can do this for blogging and lots more. I mean, look, how to write and publish your own book on Amazon in just 7 days. And then there's lots more. Look, these are all of the trainings that are coming up for this software. Come down here and we've got lots more here. So look, write product reviews, how to grow your Facebook group using this software. Come further down here. What is this? Webinars, LinkedIn, and lots more. But overall, both of these softwares, they're both relatively cheap, they work incredibly well, and it will save you a lot of money if you do like this idea of creating a YouTube channel without, doing any of the work yourself. So look, that's today's video. If you found it useful, please give the video a like. I'd really appreciate that. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.